is a name you've almost certainly heard of. It's one of the most popular choices out there for a reason, especially with its latest updates. We're talking about the Focusrite Scarlett 2i2. The fourth generation of this interface is a huge step forward in sound quality. It records at a super high resolution of 24-bit 192 kHz. But the really impressive spec is its 120 decibel dynamic range. In simple words, that's the kind of clarity and detail you expect from professional studio equipment. This is because it has two of Focusrite's cleanest preamps yet, providing 69 decibel of gain. They are designed to be ultra-low noise, giving your recordings a pristine foundation. And there are a few smart features you're definitely going to love. It has something called auto gain, which sets your recording levels for you perfectly. Paired with that is Clip Safe, a function that automatically prevents distortion if your performance gets a little too loud. What I mean is, it's genuinely hard to mess up a recording. You also get the classic air mode, which adds a touch of brightness and presence to vocals or instruments, giving them that ready-to-mix polish. It has two combo inputs, a powerful headphone amp, and a very sturdy build. When you consider the huge software bundle it includes, with tools like Pro Tools and Ableton Live Lite, it's clear why this is a favorite for everyone from podcasters to singer-songwriters.